have to roll Village footbridge. CEX Hangman's. CEX in a berry. Hangman Hall. Freedom Hall. Oh.
You know, what were you doing? You're just working up.
It's a London.
Alright, cool.
It's a London.
They're doing body attacking, I think.
They moved back. Why do you say you're declaring? I've got loads of Hangmans.
What side?
This side again. Mum, it's a tank coach, that one.
You want to come in?
Yes. Nico, bring the Hangman in the tank coach. It's gonna come in. I got the not in service chains. I wait in a phone box again on phone to you. I wait. Yeah, footbridge and then phone to you. Because he'll do the Wayford again. He'll do 55 years. Well, next time we go, Paul, can I go for an hour? Yes, be good, like no talking. I like this level crossing. Level crossing down. I like this level crossing.
I don't like birds going over my head.
I don't think my eye.
An eyeball?
I like this crossing. I love this. Our mums have new alarms. They wanted to upgrade it. Why was the alarms are far too quiet last time? And no one can even hear it.
Here it comes. It's coming.
It's a tank carriage! No, it won't. It's going to give me a toe. Only use one of this. Thank you, mate. Yeah, it's a tank carriage! It's a tank carriage!
Yeah, that's a long stretch.
I don't notice it. How many times have you used it? 5. Yes! BH3!
Waiting up here, are we?
Yes.
Yeah. Which way is it coming next?
I think we actually stayed. No, it might take longer with a 10 carriage.
Which way is it coming
No,
next time?
we stayed for a 5 carriage.
Which
Lucky
way is
they took a horn 10 carriage.
Which side?
This side. Yep, we're staying. Otherwise, we'll have went up by now.
Right, okay.
No, that was a special train house.
That was a long one. Why is it 10 carriage then, Reese?
I probably got both of not in service ones, okay? Phone. Hey, phone this. Do another phone to you after. Because it stayed down. Because it stayed.
Yeah, stay on the side, please.
I want to still do footbridge. I want to still do.
Yeah, that's fine. You still go. Well, the barriers are still down, so.
So obviously there's another one. Obviously there's another one coming.
Yeah.
This one. Still right. It's going to be like a 7-minute special, I think. I knew it would be a 10 carriage, Todd.
You did. You did tell
I knew it was going to be a 10. I knew it.
You did tell me, didn't you?
Except it's because I was both not in service trains.
Stay on the side.
There's no showers. I thought he said showers. We'll do the bridge for 11:07 because I like doing it out the bridge.
So staying on the bridge for 11:07?
Yes. If it crosses another Weymouth, then it'll be 10:58. If it's another London, it's the 07 minutes. So I can see nanny. I wasn't at a concert. I'm going to do the footbridge for you, the alarm. enough for dinner, Ross. That's probably why we stayed down. Very busy on that side, both sides. So far, it's going to be like this. Oh, last time it stayed down. Oh, Mum, no, there was another one coming. Oh, it's a 5 coming. It was actually neat. It's the last train.
Is it the last train?
No, last train before the 07.
Oh,
Then.
so after this one there's one more?
Yes. One more train we've got to watch and then we got to go. It's James Bond, I think. It's James Bond time, I think. No, it isn't. He won't toot the horn. They said not allowed. We'll complain to Salvation once it did.
Yeah, but that is not allowed to.
Yeah. Yeah, I got away as well, definitely. I love Salvation. I got all wet so far. I know.